Karen Nyamu has responded to claims na ndeto ikoretwo ikiario muno nenda-ini mosoni ma fans a Edday Nderitu ati Samidoh does not take care of his kids, ati the kids miss fatherly love and care. Na ndeto cishomanire na muno na Edday Nderitu's post iria akorirwo akiumbura ati she's managing to take care of her kids by herself with no help, na ni undu aiguaga very proud of, a post that she shared on her social media when she was responding na addressing the matter egie Samidoh, kuria nginya akorirwo clarify na ku-announce ati she is officially done with that marriage. Na quote exactly kiria Edday akorirwo akiuga, augire ati I have managed to sustain my kids' needs so far with no help and I am not regretting any bit of it. Na kumania na hau mafans ake muno tonio magisaidagi nake, of course magikorwo magiukirira Samidoh na njira nene muno, ona nginya Karen Nyamu makimwira ati she is the one responsible for this, she is the reason why these kids will grow without a father, they will lack fatherly love in their lives, na megukura riu makirero ni single mom. Na riu Karen Nyamu ni akirespondete for once, ni akorwo akirespond na okorwo agitheria ndeto ici, no still ona akirespondagi response yake ndinonekana okorwo satisfy fans a Edday Nderitu, na ona nginya murumiriri uyu wakorwo akimukirira na gucongereria Karen Nyamu clap back, tondu makiuga what Karen Nyamu is talking about is something of the past. She has not addressed the present, what is going on. The family is obviously split. Edday USA na ciana ciake a totally different country, very far away, na Samidoh ego ko bururi-ini, koguo without a doubt the kids don't have their father present in their lives. Aligo murumiriri akorwo akimwira akiuga ati the 3 children missing fatherly care will make your downfall. Na Karen Nyamu in response aikimwira ati were they missing fatherly love before they left? Even paying the trip to USA was fatherly love. Talk to the right person about that. Karen Nyamu akiuga ati wa mbere rira ciana icio ciaikara guku meza family rira makire guku, Samidoh would be present for the kids, he would show them all the love. Na Karen agakiuria, does that not count? Does what Samidoh used to do for the kids before they left not count? Na oho agithio na mbere gukiumbura ndeto igio na andu matarakiwe ati Samidoh was the one who paid for that trip, na agikiuga that's another show of love to the kids and the family. Na oho Karen yarikirie na kuga ati ona tiki afatie gukorwo akiuria ciuria ici tu, afatie gukorwo agicokia kiuria kiu, ati if anyone has a question about that they should talk to the right person. Na the right person of course ni Samidoh. Karen akiuga no afatie gukorwo akiurio ciuria ici no tike. Na response ino ndinakorwo ikionania gu satisfy most of her fans aria mathio na mbere kumukirira, no Karen Nyamu ni akorwo akiuga ati kenio wega Samidoh cares for these kids, he has shown them love, na even before they left he would always be there for them, na no nginya wakorirwo akimarihira trip ya guthie USA, he facilitated for that. Koguo ena oma Samidoh shows so much love and care for the kids. No fans maikimuria what about now, what about the present, riri me USA maikienda kumenya how does he show them love, how does he care for them. Todo Karen has only referred to what Samidoh would do before they left for USA. Na fans maikimuria what about now, the current, the present, riri ciana cia USA. Uguo aligo mekwenda kumenya, no Karen agikiuga kiuria kiu kana ciuria icio she directed to the right person, and that is Samidoh.